Very good evening. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am explaining the SQL View. Uh, I am explaining in the W3 School. W3 School is one of the best platform to learn the any language for the beginners. In this W3 School, every concept is in detailed way. If we have uh, basic knowledge on anything, we can learn easily by using this W3 schools. So in this video, I'm explaining the SQL views. In SQL, a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. So the view is used to the view is a virtual table of SQL statement results. So if we run any SQL, if we create any view on SQL statement, it gives the result of SQL statement in a virtual table format. A view contains rows and columns, just like a real table. The fields in a view are the fields from one or more real tables in the database. So the view is a virtual table. It also contains rows and columns like a real table. It takes columns and takes fields from one or many tables in the database. You can add SQL statement and functions to a view and present the data as if the data was coming from one single table. So we can add SQL statement and functions to a view, and we can present the data in from one or more one single table. The syntax for the view is we a view is created with the create view statement. So we can create the view with the create view statement. The syntax for view is create view name as select column 1 comma column 2 from table name where condition. So in this view name is our choice. We can put the any name as per our wish. Column 1 and column 2 are the columns from the uh, tables or table and from which table we are extracting the columns. We can add the conditions to the view like in uh, real table. It is a virtual table taking columns from real table. It is a result of SQL query contains columns and rows like a real table. Create with the example for view is create here. We are creating a view with the customers table. Create view. The view name is Brazil customers. As the query for the view is select customer name, comma contact name from customers where country equal to Brazil. So here we are extracting the columns customer name and contact name from the customers table who the customers belongs to the Brazil country. So this view is contains the customers of Brazil country. So the name is given as Brazil customers. So if we want to execute the query, you can query the view above as follows. So you want to execute the query or extract the data from query by using the select statement like a real table select star from the view name Brazil customer. So we execute this, we get the Brazil customers. So this is about the view. SQL updating a view. You can after creation of view, we can update or replace any values in the view. The view can be updated with the create or replace view statement. So by using the create or replace view statement, we can modify the data in the view. The syntax for creating or replace view is create or replace view name as select column 1 comma column 2 from table name where condition. So it is like syntax of creation of view. So use replace view statement. That means we are replacing some data in view. The syntax, the data example for this is create or replace view view name Brazil customer sales, select customer name from contact name from a city from customers where country equal to Brazil. Here we are adding the one new column contact contact name to the view which is not present before the before this before in the Brazil's customer. So we are adding the contact name to the view previous customer, which is already having customers and customer name and city columns. So if we use this, we also have a contact name in the view previous customers. Sometimes if there is also need to drop or delete some data in view, so for this we use drop view statement. A view is deleted with the drop view statement. SQL drop view syntax is drop view unit. We follow this syntax, we can drop the view. Drop view union Brazil customer. If we execute this query, we delete the Brazil customers view. So this is about view. View is a day of the today's classes. View is a virtual table created with columns and rows like a real table. The columns and the fields in the view are coming from one or more elements. We can also add conditions and functions in the view. If we want to modify the view, we use the view can be created with create with statement. If we want to modify any data in the view, we use replace with or create or replace with statement. If we want to drop the data in view, we use drop function to delete the view. So this is about today's class. There is one fixed question in the class. So what is an SQL view? So a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL state. Okay, is all about view. So I hope this video helps to you to understand the view and addition and deletion of view in the basic idea on the view. Thank you.